Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's make them. We are folding blue craft paper like this. Make a triangle shape and cut the remaining portion like we are doing here. We are going to make the edges round like this. Now we are going to make multiple cuts on it like we are doing here. Open the flower and cut it like this. Then we are going to fold the edges and look, it is almost done now. And then we are going to make a hole in the center and look, it is ready. Make more such shapes and then we are going to put all of them on the green roll one after another like this. And look how pretty this flower is looking. After that, paste its leaves and look, it is ready. Look at these colorful flowers. Let's make them. We are folding a yellow craft paper here. Make multiple folds on it. Now open it like this. And then we are going to paste double-sided tape on it and paste it like this. After that, we are going to roll it around a stick like this and you will get a beautiful flower like this. And look, it is done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.